Hey guys, what's up? So basically, I just wanted to say that before you watch the random 2 weeks in video from the past, I don't even know what I'm saying. I have filmed a bunch of random stuff in the past 2 weeks that I want to share. It involves me actually test driving a Challenger SRT Hellcat. I visit Umar's new house. Yeah, of course.
I put the stuff on my burgers too. American food.
Yeah, of course. American food only.
Taco season.
Yeah. Oh, let's go.
Benz, whatever.
Yeah, something Mercedes related.
Something. Mercedes furniture.
Mercedes. Oh, right.
Mercedes glassware.
Yes, dude. And it has the little TriStar on each of them.
The Mercedes emblem.
Exactly.
Dishes and stuff. Fridge.
Oh, okay, fridge, of course, for your engine cooling. Yeah,
engine cooling, radiator.
Yeah.
Liquids,
Of course.
Suspension, fluid. Box.
4 more boxes.
Mercedes furniture.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
That's actually
The Zinio?
Polo, Zinio, Mercedes.
Oh right, they partnered with Polo.
Driver's seat right here.
Oh, of course, that's wow.
Lumbar support.
Yeah.
And fan, lights and stuff.
Oh.
And here's bathroom,
Yeah.
Sit down and
Yeah, just.
wash your hands if you want.
Yeah. Of course, that's what you do.
Yeah.
Anyways.
And then come down to the different level of the showroom.
Oh yeah, of course. This is Mercedes-Benz of Argyle.
Yeah. Another pool.
Another one of these places
Yeah.
where you do things.
If you want to use shampoo, if you want, I don't know.
Hey, yeah, you don't really.
It's
You
there.
you bathe in Mercedes-Benz recommended oil.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just yeah.
If you want to wash your hands.
Of course.
Or,
Yeah. See a little bit of me going to a friend's shaadi, and the bride's brother actually gave me the keys to his BMW 128i to quickly go drive, which was pretty fun. I am attending someone's pre-wedding ceremony, and the brother of the bride has this 128i BMW, and it's without a muffler, and it's super very unique. To drive an older BMW with the more heavy hydraulic steering and everything, it makes it so much more sporty and everything. And I am, of course, in my mango kurta shalwar and everything. But this car actually responds really good. And for an older BMW, I'm very impressed by the way, it maneuvers and stuff. Exhaust sounds really good. And there's a bunch of vibration through the steering wheel, which is great. So this car sounds ridiculous. It has good pulling power, and it was a total joy driving this tight little go-kartish BMW around after driving the newer ones, which are more sedate, more luxury based. So yeah, I mean, it's a very nice, fun to drive old school BMW that's super cool. And it's a big super big thanks to Hasher for letting me drive this his car, his 128i, an old school classic, sporty BMW. Very cool. There's also a clip of my dad actually playing the the dhol pan at the takrib and everything. सेल्फी मोड में है ना वाह 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 नहीं यार